so my post is about integrated neuroimaging visualization, the NiiVue ecosystem. So our motivation was that neuroimaging workflows are often fragmented. So in your neuroimaging workflow, you do some data processing, and then you need an external viewer to view the results and intermediate steps, and that disrupts certain workflows. So one example is if you reconstruct your data on a cluster, then you first need to export all the data to another platform where you have your visualization programs and you can analyze your data. And to alleviate the problem, we created a whole ecosystem of different NiiVue viewers. So the NiiVue core is a JavaScript library shown here in the middle, which has a strong rendering engine using web-powered, GPU-powered web GPU package to render brains and other other image types. And what we did is we created a whole ecosystem. So for example, in the top left, we have IDE extensions for NiiVue VS Code and Jupyter Lab. So when you work in your coding environment, you can click on an image and it opens in a tab, so that it's really convenient directly in your workflow. You can view the images. On the top right, there's a web app, so you can. That's basically a web page which can be used to view a data, and you can also install it locally. On the bottom right, you have native apps. So for iOS, iPad, and macOS, we created a unified app, and also for desktop for Apple, Linux, and Windows, there's an app. And on the bottom left, there's developer libraries. So we support we have NiiVue, which is a Jupyter notebook support, and NiiVue JL, which is for the Julia language. And what you can do with these is you can create interactive dashboards in Jupyter notebooks environment. So with that new ecosystem, we hope to address this problem of creating more shareable and more efficient neuroimaging workflows. Thank you for listening.